Hey guys, welcome back. This is an unboxing, no, two unboxings of two very special fine jewelry pieces which I got recently. I've got one item from DIOR and another item which is a special one from Cartier. So let's start off with the DIOR item first. Now I really love the design of this piece. I think the style that it is in, it's one of the prettier designs there are in the market. I'm just annoyed at how I had to go about to get this piece, so I'll tell you the story now. I did a very big DIOR haul when I came back from Japan last year, and one of the items that I got in that haul is this piece that I'm wearing now. This is the Rose de Vence. I think that's how you did. That might not be how you pronounce it, but this is designed after the stars and the compass, and he had a design of this in his backyard, in his mansion or palace or whatever it is. So I got this piece and it was just incomplete. So I don't usually wear dangly earrings like this because it's not my everyday style. It's definitely like a going out date night type of style, but I did like this piece because it was still quite edgy and it's really nice. But they sell these pieces separately, so you can get like a stud, etc. And I tried wearing it with my other solitaire diamond piece and it looks incomplete, and I think because of that I figured that I needed to complete the set. So after much debate, my husband and I were kind of going back and forth on what would the other piece be, because we had options to get like a stud, or you could get like a small little drop earring, or you could get something like this but in a different color. So the design is meant to be asymmetrical, but we ended up being a little bit boring. This is the ribbon. It's so pretty. It's got like little stars on there. This is the fine jewelry side of DIOR. It's got like the book was supposed to come out. So there's a little book that comes out nicely, which it's really cute and very vintagey like, and that's essentially the certificate for the item. And then the jewelry box itself looks like this, very sleek packaging. So guess which one we got? This is nicely placed here. Okay, are you guys ready? So this is the piece that I originally got. It is a beautiful piece because, as you can see, I can wear it like that, I can wear it the other way, so you could only see the mother of pearl this side, or you could wear it this way where you could see that, and there's a little diamond here, and you could actually just wear this particular diamond on itself as well. Finally, we decided to match it with another exact piece. So this is the other twin that was missing. So we basically got the exact same piece because I was actually thinking I can do something interesting, but you know what, I actually really like the look of this, that I actually just want to complete the set. It comes with two backings here, so you can actually wear the diamond by itself. It has a backing there that you could use, and it has another backing that's attached to the Rose de Vence piece. So this is, I think, 18 karat if I'm not mistaken. You've got that beautiful star compass there, a tiny diamond in the middle, and then when you flip it at the back you could also use it like this, and this is the mother of pearl one. Okay, so this is how they look like together. So we've got this piece here, and the backing goes like that, and the other piece like that. So okay, yeah, definitely the right choice. I love how, so I really do love the design. It's not the most popular design yet because they did just come up with this collection I think last year. So but it is gaining popularity, but regardless, I really like the way the mother of pearl shines, and sometimes you can see the star, and I think it looks nicest like that. And because I have multiple piercings, I can even like play around with it in different lengths, etc. But yeah, that's what we ended up doing. So this next item is very special. It is a gift that I got for myself. It's from Cartier, and I had on my wish list to get myself a very classic fine jewelry ring, because the rings that I do have that are fine jewelry, they are either like they're very showy, so like, you know, I'll wear them when I'm out on date night, etc., but not necessarily to work. So I wanted something very simple that I can wear every day, even though I'm wearing t-shirt and jeans, for example. Again, we went to our guy Nicholas at Marina Bay Sands. So he gave us 2 samples of the Cartier perfumes. Not sure what the difference is here, but I do remember that they smell really nice. I gave one to my dad before. Comes in with a really nice booklet that you can read about the workmanship, and then it comes with the receipt. Oh, this is a gift certificate. Ooh, very official. And that's how it looks like. Really pretty. And then you've got the receipt in here. There's this thing that I got before, but I haven't used the one that I got. So it's a care box for jewelry and watches. It comes in, ooh, my hair. It's got a lotion for jewelry and watches, so you could use this to clean your jewelry, and then it's got a tiny little toothbrush here, which looks very cool. Okay, so the ring box is kind of like 3/4 the size of the bracelet box. So there were 2 designs that I was choosing from. I was looking at the Love collection, the one with the screws, and I was looking at the Juste CLOU collection. So the Love collection was very nice. It was very yeah, it's a very classic piece. The only thing is it didn't wow me, and when I wore it, it didn't feel very comfortable because it was quite thick. I tried the one with the diamonds. It still was like not the paved diamonds, but I tried the ones where the screws were diamonds instead, and it was still kind of like not like wowing me, and then this just did it for me. So the jewelry box looks like this. Have you guys seen like their new bag? It's like a bag version of this. I don't know how I feel about it, but this is what I got. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. There it is. I got the Juste CLOU ring, and this is the classic version. They have a version now that's thinner if you don't like it so thick, and I got the one that has like the diamonds here and also a little bit at the end there. So it is the exact like copy of the, not exact copy, but the exact same design as my bracelet. It's just that this one I got it in rose gold, whereas my bracelet is in yellow gold. But for the ring itself, the difference was not that great, and the reason why I got the rose gold one was because they didn't have my size in the yellow gold version. I absolutely love it. I usually wear it on this particular finger, but I could wear it on my my forefinger, a little bit loose, but I could also wear it on my forefinger, which is what I wanted. I wanted something that I could just, you know, wear on an everyday basis. So even though it has got diamonds, it's not very like ostentatious, so it's very subtle, and I love that, you know, it's one of those rings where if you know, you know, but even if you don't know, you would still find it pretty, and I've been wearing it with literally jeans, not even jeans, I've been wearing it with shorts and t-shirts sometimes, and sometimes when I look down on it I'm like, oh, it's so shiny, you know. It's just got that gleam when it sparkles in the sun, and I'm talking about the gold, not the diamond. The diamonds of course sparkle, but even the gold that they use is really beautiful. For the love ring, I think it would get scratches a lot more easily because you don't actually have that one side that you always stick to. So with rings you tend to like move it around, whereas for this ring, yes, I have gotten like scratches, minor wear and tear scratches here already, but it doesn't matter because up front it still looks perfect. So nothing major, but the usual stuff that you'd get with rings, and rings do get scratched a lot easier than bracelets, which was another reason why I decided to get this design instead. So in terms of the comfort, is also very comfortable because it's very tiny and it's not like digging into your skin or anything. So I absolutely love this. I've worn this for work. I've just absolutely love it. I wanted to say that in the Just and CLOU and the Love collection, they did come up with thinner versions of both the bracelets as well as the rings, which if you like that option or if you want to find something, it's definitely, I would say that the price is actually not that bad, because the Just and CLOU one, this ring, which was the thin version and without diamonds, it was about 1,500, which I thought was quite reasonably priced given that it's from Cartier and it is a classic design. You check it out if you want like a little bit more affordable piece, or if you want something that's a little bit thinner. I think the options are there, which is great. Okay, so that's basically it. I'm really happy with both pieces that I got. They were both, well, the Dior one wasn't on my wish list, but it was something that I needed to complete this vibe that I have here, but this was on my wish list, and it was a gift that I gave to myself to just kind of celebrate what I did for last year, etc., and to just love myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as usual, leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.